Good morning, everyone. I am Vishakha. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies fall on muted risk appetite. Bitcoin hovers near $23,000. CryptoPunks trading volume jumps multi-fold after Tiffany's NFT collection launch. Cross-chain messaging protocol Nomad hacked, $45 million stolen so far. SEC charges 11 people in $300 million crypto pyramid and Ponzi scheme. Celsius Network custody clients tap lawyer to reclaim $180 million. Cboe reports $460 million write-down on crypto exchange ErisX acquisition. Blockchain firm W3B Cloud to go public via $1.25 billion SPAC. Japan's central bank drops CBDC plans on lack of citizens' interest. Cryptocurrencies fell Tuesday as investors continued to shun riskier assets such as stocks and digital assets as data pointed to weakening demand amid rising inflation, with the investors fearing the possibility of the US economy slipping into a recession. Bitcoin fell for a third straight day. All three key US indexes ended the session modestly lower on the first day of August on the heels of the S&P 500's and the Nasdaq's largest monthly percentage gains since 2020. The Institute for Supply Management's Purchasing Managers Index showed that US factory activity slowed in July to its lowest level since August 2020, though remaining in expansion territory. The report follows a raft of data from Europe and Asia that showed factory activity slowing or contracting in the face of dampened global demand and persistent inflation. However, the drop in cryptocurrency prices were cushioned by mounting hopes that the Federal Reserve will slow the pace of rate hikes as inflation cools. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $23,000, down over 1.7% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was trading around $1,600, down over 5% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded lower. After luxury jewelry retailer Tiffany & Co.'s exclusive NFT collection launch, CryptoPunks trading volume more than doubled in the past 24 hours. The sales volume of the CryptoPunk collection for the last 24 hours climbed to over 1,279 Ether, or around $2.16 million. The prior 24-hour period saw a sales volume of just 123 Ether, about $200,000, according to NFT Price Floor. As part of the offer to CryptoPunk holders, Tiffany said it would launch a separate line of NFTs called NFTs, a collection of 250 digital passes offered by Tiffany & Co. that CryptoPunk holders can mint for a custom pendant and an NFT in the likeness of the holder's CryptoPunk. According to Tiffany & Co., artisans will transform the so-called NFT into a handcraft bespoke pendant, and users will also receive an additional NFT version of the pendant. Cross-chain messaging protocol Nomad is being actively hacked and at least $45 million has been stolen. As of 7:15 p.m. New York time, attackers have drained $45 million in wrapped Bitcoin, Ether, and various stablecoins from the protocol, and more than $100 million in cryptocurrency remains at risk. Nomad posted on its Twitter account that it is aware of the situation and is investigating. The hack comes just days after Nomad unveiled the full list of investors who participated in its $22 million seed round with heavyweights Coinbase Ventures, Wintermute, 1KX and Polychain Capital. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has changed 11 individuals for their roles in creating and promoting Forsage, a fraudulent crypto pyramid and Ponzi scheme. According to the regulator, the Forsage scheme generated more than $300 million from countless numbers of retail investors across the globe, including those in the United States. Forsage was launched in January 2020 by four members: Vladimir Okhotnikov of the Republic of Georgia, Lola Ferrari of Indonesia, and Mikhail Sajiv and Sergei Maslakov of Russia. It quickly became a popular decentralized app on the Ethereum blockchain and at its peak consumed roughly a quarter of the blockchain's bandwidth and caused gas fees to spike. Each of the crypto crusaders, Sarah Thiessen, Carlos Martinez, Ronald Deering, Cheribath Boyne, and Alicia Shepard were charged with fraud and the offering and sale of the unregistered securities, along with two other promoters, Samuel Ellis and Mark Hamlin, who made YouTube videos advertising Forsage. Customers who held cryptocurrency in custody accounts at Celsius Network, the bankrupt trading and lending firm, have banded together to hire legal counsel in a bid to get their money back. The custody claimants, who account for about $180 million or just 4% of the overall assets locked up in Celsius, are enlisting the services of the Kyle J. Otis, a partner at the corporate restructuring firm Togut, Siegel and Siegel LLP. This and HOC Group has grown to more than 300 members in the week since the first bankruptcy hearing and has raised close to $100,000 the retainer for its legal representation. Sibo Global Market, which operates the Chicago Board Options Exchange and BATS Global Market Stocks Exchange, has disclosed a $460 million write-down in second quarter on its recent acquisition of ErisX, a cryptocurrency asset exchange. Sibo Global had in May acquired ErisX to support its re-entry into the spot and derivatives markets for digital assets. Cboe CEO Ed Tilly, in a post-earnings conference call, said that the accounting adjustment was necessary since the market environment for digital assets had drastically changed since the ErisX transaction's closing. Cboe's Chief Financial Officer Brian Schell stated that they do not plan to reduce their commitment to the digital asset market in any manner, despite their modification, which they believe accurately reflects the current market environment for digital assets. W3B Cloud, the tech joint venture between Advanced Micro Devices Consensus and its founders, on Monday agreed to go public in the United States by merging with a blank check firm in a deal that values the combined company at $1.25 billion, including debt. The deal with Social Leverage Acquisition Corp. is expected to fetch up to $345 million in proceeds from the Special Purpose Acquisition Company's trust account, assuming no redemptions. W3B Cloud's value after the combined deal will be $1.25 billion. The company anticipates a Web3 boom and has geared itself towards storage, staking, and computing infrastructure, projecting a 685% rise in the revenue in 2023 versus 2021. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.